To install sheeting on light steel trusses, first you have to make sure that you always store the sheeting off the ground on wooden blocks to prevent them from damage. After you have installed the purlins and top court bracing, you can place the first sheet on the edge of the purlins. Make sure that the sheet is aligned properly. To do this, you must use a tape measure to ensure that the top and bottom of each sheet is exactly the same distance away from the truss. When the sheeting is in place, fasten the sheet with 65mm tack screws with roof washers to every purlin on every second rib. Then place the next sheet onto the first sheet and let them overlap with one rib, and fasten with tack screws on the overlap rib and then every second rib again. For every 4 sheets installed, measure the top and bottom of the last rib to make sure that the sheet is installed straight. Continue to install the next 4 sheets and repeat this process until all sheets have been installed.
If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.